Coming up in the next 2 weeks on Just Hands on TV, on Friday the 2nd of March we get an expert tip from Jenny Raymond on how to set up your sewing machine to sew an accurate 1/4 inch with the regular sewing foot, which helps you with very precise piecing. Also on Friday the 2nd, Paula Doyle joins us and guides us through the making of her charming circles quilts, which are a great way to use up and recycle fabrics. Denim jeans are perfect for this. And you also get to use up some of your smaller pieces of leftover wadding to make double-sided quilts, bags and table runners. On the 8th of March, our Throwback Thursday video is Seeing Stars with Sylvia Critcher, where she has taken a simple block and given it a clever twist to create this lovely table runner or a scrap quilt. Then on Friday the 9th of March, we meet embroiderer Lorna Bateman. Lorna loves to create texture in her embroidered pictures and pincushions, and she uses the drizzle stitch to create a 3D effect. Also on Friday the 9th, Jenny Raymond brings us a useful new technique on how to draw up an octagon shape, which she uses to great effect in some future workshops with us. There are new videos released on Just Hands on TV every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.